Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, going to learn how to remove a payment method on Airbnb. We will also include links for our ultimate Airbnb packing list in the description below. To start, open the website airbnb.com. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Log In. Click on Log In. Next, on the field provided, enter your phone number. Then click on Continue. A 6-digit code will then be sent to the number you have provided. Enter it in the field provided to continue. Once you're logged in, you will see your profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Account. Click on Account. Next, on this page, you will see an option for Payments and Payouts. Click on Payments and Payouts. Under Payments and Payouts, you will see a section for payment methods. Here you will see all your saved payment methods. Then, click the 3 horizontal dots beside the payment method you wish to remove. From the pop-up tab, click on Remove. You will then be asked if you want to remove the selected payment method. To continue, click on Remove. That's how you remove a payment method on Airbnb. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.